Your baby's first year progress and milestones. From the moment your baby is born, she is already absorbing, learning, and constantly preparing herself to live in this world. The first year of your baby's life is fun and sometimes overwhelming, especially for new parents. This article is about your baby's progress and development during her first year of life. While babies may progress and develop faster or slower, the following content should be viewed as a general guide. First month. Your baby's eyesight is not fully developed yet. She can only see objects that are close to her, so get close to her while trying to have a conversation. Your baby also recognizes your smell and hears your voice when you whisper to her ears. Show care for your baby as she learns to bond with you. Second month. Your infant's neck is getting stronger as she could keep her head up while in sitting position. This is also the time when your baby tries to communicate, usually in form of baby cooing. Imitating her sound is a fun way to build bond between you and your baby. Third month. Most babies sleep longer at night when they are 3 months old. This means you finally can get a longer sleep as a parent. They start to discover their fingers and they may such their thumbs for comfort. Your baby also starts to have interests in things in her surrounding. Have a conversation and explain what she is looking at when she seems to pay attention to one thing. Fourth month. By month number 4, although babies weigh differently, your bundle of joy should weigh about 13 pounds, about 6 kilograms, or more. His eye movement is more deliberate as he learns to follow an object in his surrounding. Additionally, your baby can try to mimic your facial expressions such as smiling or laughing. Ask your pediatrician for an appointment to do a regular checkup. Fifth month. A 5-month-old baby has different cries for different situation. For example, her cries when she is hungry is different than when she is tired or upset. At this age, your baby sleeps a lot, or about 11 to 12 hours per day, including several daytime naps. Try to introduce safe solid food to her diet as well. Sixth month. At 6 months, your baby uses both of her hands more to hold toys or other objects. This is also when she starts to make vowel sounds and connect them together. Reading to your baby is critical to her communication skills, and it helps introducing colors and shapes to her. 7th month. Can you believe your baby is now 7 months old? At 7 months your baby starts teething as she begins to have teeth. Your baby also loves to play, especially peekaboo. She seems to enjoy holding more and more things such as cell phones, TV remotes, and more grown-up things. Your baby might whine when you take away her toys or other objects she is holding. 8th month. It is common for a baby to start crawling and getting up on her hands and knees. She can also sit without support. At this point, she often responds to her name and starts talking. She starts recognizing family members that she sees every day. 9th month. At 9 months old, your baby might stand on both feet and take a step. You should encourage her to walk more if you see her standing up. Although she doesn't understand full language yet, but she seems to understand the word no, so you might want to start thinking about how to discipline your child consistently from now on. 10th month. Your baby is now able to stand without your help. She also learned to use her hands and fingers to make gestures such as waving or pointing. She is also starting to blurt out more words such as mama or papa as she learns more letters in the alphabet. As she develops bond with you, she might show separation anxiety symptoms when you leave the room. 11th month. By month number 11, your baby has more advanced motor skills like pulling or squeezing her toys and putting food into mouth. This is also a good time to introduce her to other babies and let them play side by side. She also hears everything you say, so keep reading stories to keep her brain stimulated with letters and words. 12 month. Your baby might start to dance and her curiosity for smell is higher. Introduce her to pleasant smells such as flour, orange, freshly baked pie, and other things. Her eyesight has developed like a normal adult, and you might notice better hand-eye coordination as she starts to pick up toys from the floor or table. Expert suggests you keep breastfeeding your child until 12 to 24 months, however, you can start introducing cow milk after 12 months after you discuss it with your pediatrician. Conclusion. First-time parents are excited to see the progress their babies make in the first 12 months of a child's life. Show lots and lots of love and affection towards your baby as she develops her senses and emotions. It also gives them a sense of safety, reduces stress, and develops a more stable mental health. Lots of playing time and interacting with your baby also allows her to explore, solve problems, learn from her mistakes, and provide the time for you to show support and encouragement. More importantly, your baby must show that she can trust you to build that confidence to take on the world ahead. Thank you for watching our video article. Please give us a like, and if you like to be updated with our video articles, click the subscribe button now and don't forget to click the notification bell.